時ですか? Can you say, what's the time is it now in Japanese? That is, 今何時ですか? 今何時ですか? Or you can say, 今何時? to your friends casually. This kanji means now. And the sound is 今. And this kanji also could be read as 今. 今 and 今. Why did I put the picture of fox? That's because コンコン is the sound of fox here in Japan. コンコンコンコン. I don't know why. So it's like 今 and コン. 今 and コンコン. Okay? And there are several vocabularies you need. I'll show you. 今 now, 今日 today, 今朝 this morning, 今年 this year, 今月 this month, 今週 this week, and 今晩 tonight. Lots, aren't they? But we use these vocabularies a lot, so it's better to remember them all. Sadly. Oh, don't worry, I'll help you. And next kanji, I'll go to the next kanji anyway. I can go back always. 何? 今何時ですか? 何? This means what? And this kanji is read as 何 or 何. For this kanji, at the beginner level vocabulary, you'd only need to remember 何 and 何. Yay! And next kanji is 今何時ですか? 時 This one, 時. This kanji means time or hour. And it is read as 時 or 時. Well, this kanji looks kinda difficult, complicated, doesn't it? I know. Well, my recommendation is to memorize this kanji separately, like this. And there are several vocabularies you need to remember. First, 時間, which means time, and 時々, which means sometimes, and 時計, which means watch or clock. And with this kanji, you can answer the question, 今何時ですか? How do you answer the question, 今何時ですか? If it was 1 o'clock, then you could say, 1時です. 1時です. 今何時ですか? 2時です. 3時です. 4時です. 5時です. 6時です. 7時です. 8時です. 9時です. 10時です. 11時です. 12時です. Then, what if you want to say, it's 10 past 1? Then you could use this kanji. 分. 分. This kanji has many meanings. It's like minutes, or to understand something, etc. It could be read as 分 or 分 or 分 sometimes. And わ. For example, you say わかる when you understand something, and you use this kanji. わかる. わかる. A vocabulary for this kanji, 自分, which is oneself, 自分, 自分. And half, 半分, 半分. And わかる. I talked about it before. To understand. わかる. So it's like, 私はロシア語がわかる. I hope. Which means I understand Russian. What if it was 3:30? 3:30. Then you could use this kanji. Half. Half. This means half or middle. If someone said to you, 今何時ですか? And it was like 3:30, then how do you say? You could say 3時半です. 3時半です. 3 means 3, ji means hour, and han han means half. 3時半です. 3時半です. Then, if it was like 9, 9:30, then you could say 9時半です. 9時半です. 9時 means 9 o'clock. It's kind of tricky because Q is usually 9, but when you want to say 9 o'clock, then you have to say 9時. You don't say 9時. 9時. 9時半. 9:30. 9時半です. 9時半です. 今何時ですか? 今何時ですか? How do you say it's 9:03? No? 何言ってんの? 意味わかんないんだけど. Again. How do you say 10:10? 10:10. How do you say 10:10 in Japanese? The answer is 今10時10分です. 今10時10分です. Or just 10時10分です. So 10時 means 10 o'clock, right? And 10分 means 10. You don't say 10分. No. You'd have to say 10分. Yeah. It's tricky, isn't it? Actually, there are many. Okay, I'll say 1分, 2分, 3分, 4分, 5分, 6分, 7分, 8分, 9分, 10分, 20分, 30分, 40分, 50分, 60分. Yay! Oh, you don't say 60分. And some people ask me like how to say 1:15 or 9:50. Also, we just say 15分. 15 means 15 and 分 means minutes. So it's like 15分. 1時15分. 2時15分. And same for 9:10. It's like 9時50分. 9時45分. 9:10, right? And it's like 2:45. It's like 2時45分. 45 means 45. So we just say 10:45 or 9:45 in Japanese. 15分半45分. That's all. Let's do a quiz. Deal? Let's begin. 今何時ですか? 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 2時10分です. 2時10分です. If it was like 7:30, then you'd say 7時半です. 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 Then if it was like 3:40, 20 to 4, you say 3時40分です. 3時40分です. Then, if it was like 5時45分, quarter to 6, if it was quarter to 6, then you'd say 5時45分です. 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 Then, if it was like 10 to 9, 10 to 9, 10 to 9, then you'd say 8時50分です. 8時50分です. Do you get it? Lastly, I'll ask you one more time. 今何時ですか？今何時ですか？ I'd say, 今親父です。That's Japanese joke. It rhymes. 今3時です。今親父です。And 親父 is like, I don't know how to say it in English. It's like old man. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you get how to say what's the time is it now? And how to answer that question. And also, kanji. All related to time. I hope you'd enjoy my video. Bye!